Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. We are officially on day 7 of my 25 days of Christmas Gifts for Him series. I am loving this, and today is all about those who have teenagers in their house. I mean, this could go for any man, but let's be honest. The teenagers in your house are the ones that would use this more than anything. If this is your first time checking out this channel, welcome, happy holidays. Make sure you all are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell because we still have so many days to go, so many products to show you, and so many brands to enlighten you with. Today's product is all about one thing: hygiene. And this is an issue some of us may have with our teenage boys in our lives, right? That's why I'm working with Dove to show you all their new holiday men's care package. Dove has come out with an amazing new care package just for men this holiday. This is the perfect gift for those who have, like I said, teenagers in their lives and they need to add a little bit more hygiene to their day. You have men who love Dove. This is the perfect thing to get. This is their 3-part care package, which can be interchangeable with their other items, which is awesome. This is what comes inside of it. But let's talk about the box. You all know I will always say how much I love a good box, which is why these, no matter how many times I use them, will be staying in this box. Inside of the box, you will receive their 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, face and body wash, and some deodorant spray. These 3 things will help a lot when you have teenagers, but they also are perfect for on the go and traveling. If you find yourself getting this from one of the men or guys in your life, it's very simple to interchange them out. They also come with different versions of those products. For example, if you want to swap them out, you can also do the exfoliating deep cleansing, the extra fresh body wash and facial wash. And hear me out, if you want to add a little bit more, they also offer the big boys. Now, these do not come inside of the kit. However, they do make a deal that if you get the kit, you're able to get these too for a discounted price. If you're gonna go all out with hygiene, you might as well get it all. Now let's talk about stocking stuffers. Dove has the perfect stocking stuffers for your boys and men in your life, and that is bar soap. The bar soaps are 3-in-1, so they are face, body, and hand soap. They're also meant to help with shaving, guys. These are the things, especially as men, that we need to teach our younger guys is what we need to be using to help them elevate their hygiene and how they use their products. These are perfect to go right into a stocking. This is the perfect idea to just drop in there. They have the exfoliating, they have the deep cleansing, and if you're feeling lucky, go ahead and get the big pack as well. These are gifts that keep on giving, not just for you, but for them as well. I know some of you guys might be thinking that these are not Christmas gifts, but let's be honest, they are. Not every Christmas gift or holiday gift is supposed to be a toy or clothes and things like that. Sometimes it has to be practical. When you're raising teenagers, these are the type of kits that you need for your household. The care package is meant to show a boy how to be a man in a way. Your hygiene is as important as anything else. As a men's fashion and lifestyle content creator, it is important for me to also explain, as a man, we not only need to worry about what we wear on our body, but how we treat our body and our hygiene. This kit is a game changer for a lot of teenagers who don't put hygiene first. And honestly, Dove did a really great job with this holiday kit. If you buy this kit, you are able to change it out with any of these other things. If you know he won't use some of the stuff in here, it is okay to swap it out. It is okay to put other items in here. My whole goal with this gift is to normalize great hygiene with men and young guys. So we were all teenagers once, and we know that sometimes this is not our #1 priority. And that's what we need to change. Dove's holiday care package is the perfect idea to get that ball rolling. I know this isn't like my normal content, but this is equally as important to me than any item that I could have showed you over my 25 days of Christmas gifts for him. I've shown you all the Dove products, and I am really happy to have been able to collaborate with Dove to show you all something that I do care a lot about. We've seen what happens when hygiene is not one of, if not the most important priority. But make sure you guys are showing them this stuff. Make sure you guys are going to Dove or any other places that sell Dove products to get these holiday kits or these interchangeable items, because they could make or break some guys. And let's be honest, confidence is so important, and if we don't have great hygiene on top of great fashion sense, confidence can be lost, and that is not something we ever want to see happen with our young men today. So go check them out. Go to Walgreens, Target, or Dove.com and check out these holiday men's care kits today. That's all I have for you today. If you guys understand and like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell, because we still have so many more days to go in this series. Make sure you guys are going to check out the previous 6 days too, because I have great products, great brands that I'm showing you all every day, and my past 6 were on point, so you don't want to miss any of them. Alright guys, as always, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. Happy holidays. I'll see you tomorrow.